Classroom activities.
Speak English well.
Lesson 1. Student.
I'm a student.
I'm an English student.
I learn English every day.
I learn English 3 hours a day.
Learning English is my hobby. Teacher.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a math teacher.
Teaching math is my hobby.
I enjoy teaching math.
All of my students enjoy learning math with me. Classroom.
This is our classroom.
This is the place where learning taking place.
The teacher is teaching English.
The students are learning English from the teacher.
The teacher enjoys teaching English.
The students enjoy learning English.
All of the students enjoy the process of learning English.
What about you?
Do you enjoy learning English? Open the book.
Let's learn English now.
Please open up your English book.
Open and read page 12.
Read carefully.
Then answer the questions. Please open the book.
I open the book.
Please read the passage.
I read the passage.
Please listen carefully.
I listen carefully.
Please repeat after the teacher.
I repeat after the teacher.
Please answer the question.
I answer the question.
Please ask question.
I ask question.
Please speak in English with your friend.
I speak English with my friend.
Please write it down.
I write it down.
Please close the book.
I close the book.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. I don't understand.
Would you explain to me? I can hear clearly.
Please speak louder. Please write the word on the whiteboard. I cannot read your written sentences.
Please write it well. I don't understand the meaning of the word.
Please explain it to me. Please write the words down in the whiteboard. Please speak louder.
I cannot hear what you said. Please write it down in your notebook. Please listen carefully, then answer the question. Please read it out loud. Please repeat after me.